Hi, and welcome to day 5 of our 30-day automation challenge. Today, I'm excited to share a story about a client that was struggling keeping up with new leads. Now, we're going to be streamlining lead management by connecting Google Sheets, Gmail, and HubSpot. But before we kickstart, I'd like us to do a recap of how we were able to use Apify for web scraping and automatically send data to Google Sheets, as we did in day 2 and day 3. And I hope you go back if you were not part of that challenge. Now, my client is a small business owner who currently, or who then, was manually collating data from the internet and moving to spreadsheet, and spent hours working manually until I introduced him to Apify. Let's take a look. In Apify, you click on the Contact Details Scraper tool. This tool scrapes essential information like names, emails, and phone numbers. We choose the website he wanted, click Setup, and then specify details. Finally, we click Run, and Apify went to work. To save time, we use make.com to move the script data into Google Sheets. First, I created a new scenario to click on Create a New Scenario, then added the Apify Get Dataset item module by typing it in the search bar. After selecting my client's Apify dataset, I click Add to create the connection. Next, we type in Google Sheet, selected the Add a Role module, and link the right Google Sheet to hold the new leads. To keep it updated, I click on Schedule to automate this transfer. Now, each time Apify scrapes new data, our sheet is instantly updated. Now that our Google Sheet is updating with new leads, the next step is to automatically create contacts in HubSpot whenever new data is added to the sheet. My client wanted all new contacts synced into his CRM system to track follow-up. We head to make.com, click on Create a New Role, and added the Google Sheet module again, this time selecting What New Role. This option is crucial because it detects updates every time Apify scrapes new data detail. Then, we selected the sheets with our leads. I reminded my client to check the columns carefully to mark fields like name, email, and phone number, so make.com could accurately pull in data. Here, double-checking details was key. To connect to HubSpot, we typed HubSpot CRM in the search bar and selected the Create Add Contact module. Clicking Add allowed us to log into HubSpot and link it to make.com. Now we could map data from each Google Sheet column to the right HubSpot fields, like linking names to the HubSpot contact name field. I advise him to add a simple entry into Google Sheet to make sure it showed up in HubSpot. We refreshed the contact page in HubSpot, and there it was. Each new lead now automatically creates a contact in HubSpot. With contact now in HubSpot, the final piece was to automate a follow-up email. My client needed an introductory email sent every time a new contact appeared, so we set it up with Gmail in make.com. We added the Gmail module by searching Gmail in the modules list. Selecting Send Email allowed us to draft an introductory message to go out automatically. Then, we clicked on Action and chose Send Mail in the Gmail module. This option allows us to add each new contact's email for direct communication as soon as they are entered into HubSpot. After clicking Add, we gave make.com access to our Gmail account. Now we could draft a welcome message. I suggested adding a personalized greeting like Hi, name, and map HubSpot fields like email to send the mail to each new lead. We configured this module to trigger when a new contact is created in HubSpot so that the email will go out immediately. I tested it by entering a simple lead in Google Sheet and watching it flow from Google Sheet to HubSpot and finally to Gmail. Within seconds, a welcome message appeared in Gmail, complete with the contact name. Now, by the end, my client had a fully automated lead management system with Apify pulling data, Google Sheets storing them, HubSpot managing contact while Gmail handle follow-up. Now, I took this route just to demonstrate how you could leverage free tools and free versions of these tools if you're on a low budget or a zero budget. However, for advanced workflow setup, then I advise going a paid version where you could fully optimize the power of these AI-powered tools for you automating your workflow and your business process. Now, I'll see you tomorrow. Day 6 promises to be a bomb. Catch ya.